Hey guys, I have here the travel backpack and I wanted to demonstrate why this is such a cool one. The first thing you're gonna notice about this one is it's huge. In here you can see a huge depth and width. So if you're planning on going traveling with this thing, you're gonna be able to fit a lot of clothes in here. Now in this compartment over here, you're gonna find the perfect place to put your laptop. Once again, huge, fits up to 18 inches. Got a place in here for all the cords. You got a lot of cool little pockets in here as well. Now on the topic of pockets, there's several of them. Over here back to the front, you're gonna find a side pocket in here, once again with a lot of room and a zipper close. In the main compartment in here, there's a zipper pocket up here. There's even a waterproof compartment in here. Now, despite the fact you're going to be carrying a lot of things in here, it's very comfortable, and that's because of the padding. You can see padding over here, nice and soft, down over here. Down over here as well, you're going to get another pocket with a zipper close. The shoulder straps are also nicely padded. It even has a handle up here in case you want to carry it like a luggage. It's super high quality, built tough. It's got water bottle holders here on the side as well. And I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a backpack for traveling or to take to work or school.